Hi, welcome to CIDC Nirman. I'm Shree Kurup. I'm editor CIDC Nirman, and I have with me Ms. Shantishree. She's the director of the National Academy of Construction, Hyderabad. Thank you so much for joining us, ma'am. Ma'am, tell us a little bit about the National Academy of Construction and how it started construction education.
Hi everyone. First place, I'd like to congratulate CIDC and team for such wonderful initiative. Year on year, they are adding on different categories in awards and bringing up the capabilities of different academies and then construction industry. So, talking about National Academy of Construction, it started in the year 1998 at the behest of contractors and builders, and for the past 25 years, NAC has been doing wonderful work in skilling the workforce for the construction industry. So the core activity is providing skill development for unemployed youth and train them as technicians and provide them to the industry. And apart from that, we also do skill accreditation courses for the existing construction workers, and we also concentrate on civil engineering graduates. So as we all know, like there is a lot of skill gap which need to be bridged by the academies before we take up the skilled workforce to the construction. So NAC has taken that initiative of bridging the gap when it comes to civil engineering graduates, bridging the gap between college study and industry. So when it comes to unemployed youth, we have seen many of the youth like going into different activities, not having proper livelihoods, and where we can see there is a lot of dearth of skilled workforce in the construction industry. So NAC has been connecting this youth to take up job roles in construction sector. So far NAC has conducted trainings for almost 4.8 lakh human personnel under different activities. So time to time we are like enhancing the activity. We are including advanced technologies and methodologies that are coming into the construction industry and helping the civil engineering graduates, working engineers, and also providing training to unemployed youth in that particular job role, which will help the construction industry getting more professional skilled workforce.
That's right.
So this
Today in Indian construction work sites, what percentage of workforce is skilled, and do the employers come forward to get them skilled?
So actually this is where we are a bit slow, I can say. With my 20 years of experience in working for National Academy of Construction, what I observed is most of the employers, though there is a GO that 20% of the workforce should be skilled, employers are not paying that much interest or that much focus on this. Maybe it might be the reason like top people are giving it to the contractor, and contractor is in a hurry of completion of work, he is managing the things. But at the end of the day, we are ending up with some quality issues in the construction. Even today we are seeing there are many quality issues, like to name Kaleshwaram Bridge of Telangana state. So there are many such huge buildings where we are facing many quality issues. So to curb that, I feel employers should pay like maximum focus on skilling the workforce they are employing to complete the projects.
Does it need a policy initiative in the sense, does the policy need to push for skilled workforce?
Absolutely, it is very much required. There should be a policy, there should be a strict amendment of that particular policy into the system, where each and every project need to have minimum of 30 to 40% of the skilled workforce, which ensures quality and productivity of and completion on time.
Right.
So all these timelines will be met if at all, if they have skilled workforce in the system.
Okay. And ma'am, as the complexity of construction happens on the ground with metros, RRTS and so on, do we see an upskilling of the existing workforces also?
Of course, we are doing it. When it comes to NAC, like, you know, many of the construction companies, major construction companies like Aparna, My Home, NCC, KPC, like even AFCONs, Shirke, BJ Shirke, they've all requested NAC to upskill their workforce, and we are doing our bit from our end. Still, there is a lot more to be done. So, as we were talking, like, you know, there should be a policy of, you know, employing the skilled workforce, at the same time upskilling the existing construction workers.
Right. What about, we talked about engineers, we talked about the workmen on the ground. What about the professionals, the legal professionals, the arbitration professionals and so on? Are those needs also handled?
Yes, yes, of course. Like everywhere it is happening in the form of executive development programs, management development programs, like capacity building. It will be a 2-day program, 3-day program sort of thing. Like that is for the working professionals, top people of the construction sector on specific topics. So that is happening. Still, like, it can also be enhanced by the company management.
Okay. Thank you so much for talking to us.
Welcome.
Pleasure
Thanks
talking
for the
to you.
opportunity.